Why are you not focusing? Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe. I'm trying to post Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and do these kind of tutorials slash film things. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to take nighttime photos. Sorry, I cannot speak right now. So we're heading to the lake right now. I'm not going to go on the lake, but we're going to go there. I'm going to show you all the settings. If I miss anything I'm going to say, I'll just cut to me at home talking. And okay, let's head to the location now. Alright, it's pretty cold out. A lot colder than I remember. I think it's, what, 13 degrees I think it is right now. So we're heading down to the lake. You probably won't be able to see anything right now, but we're heading down there. And so my plan is to teach you guys exactly how to take good star shots. And next, I don't know if it'll be next video or a video after, will be, sorry, my dog stopped me. Will be how to do lake painting. And I hope you guys will look forward to that if I do it. And if you guys really want to see it, thumbs up this video. But yeah, let's head over there and I'll tell you everything to do. Dang it, I did not, you know, I'm gonna back up. I did not do the angle right. Alright, so there are a few things that you need for if you're going to do this. First thing, you need a steady tripod. Alright, so I'm going over right now, seeing what I edited, and I did a horrible job of explaining. So I'm just gonna say the things you need here right now. You need a camera, a tripod, and if your camera doesn't have built-in time-lapse, you need an intervalometer, and that's it. So you need that stuff. And basically once you do there, the settings that you need to put in Alright, with the settings, I didn't do a good job of explaining that either, so I'm going to explain that right now. Your f-stop, you want that as wide as it can be. If you can go to 1.8, that's great. If you can go to 2.8 at the most, that's great. But you want a camera that can have a wide aperture so that then you can get the most light in so you don't have to crank up your ISO. And that brings you to ISO. Your ISO, you want it to be somewhere around the 3200. You can bring it down or bring it up depending on what your situation is in. You also want to make sure that you're in a clear sky. There's no clouds or anything, and the weather would be good. Also, a cold night is probably the best. With the focusing, don't use autofocus. What you want to do is set your focus infinite, and then if it doesn't work, you want to bring it a little closer, bring it out. Just experiment, take a few shots. Then make your shutter somewhere around 25 to 30 seconds, or if you have an intervalometer, you can do bulb, which will be as long as you hold it down for is how long it will keep the shutter open. You also want a wider lens. Mine's a 24 at this widest, so that's what you need to use. And I'm pretty sure that's all the settings. Do that. I forgot what I was going to say again, but I'll just show you some examples now, and if I forgot anything, I will cut back to inside. Okay, so when I was shooting this, I did not realize how much light from the background was leaking in. And because you leave your shutter open, what happens when you leave your shutter open is that light comes in, and even what's not in frame, that light will still come in. And there was a ton of yellow light from what you can see from the images right now. And I'm not going to try to recover this. I'm going to try to recover it in another video. But you can use these same guidelines that I just showed you to trying to take photos. Because just because I didn't do it good tonight doesn't mean that it was wrong. It wasn't a good situation. I couldn't go out on the ice because if I did, probably would have fell in, even though there were snowmobiles on. But it was freezing. My hands were numb. So one day I will redo this video. Hopefully it will be in the near future, or maybe it will be way down the line is what I meant. But on that sad note, I'm going to have to end the video there. If you guys like this, please tell me in the comments below. I am trying to post Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Let's see if we can get to 100 subscribers by the end of this month. I hope we can. We probably won't, but we're at 72 right now. Let's try to make that number go up. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video.